All right, we are here at Henry Ford Hospital in Wyandotte, Michigan. These are elevators A. ThyssenKrupp's. It's a mod. Code blue service and everything. This is the hospital, which would make sense. 5 is locked, but we can go to 4. Mad BS Classic Fixtures. This is definitely a mod. Almost looks like it was a Dover when it was installed. That's your emergency medical service. Elevator A2. Yep, it was originally Dover. Fast elevators, very nice. That actually may have made a replacement airlock, so I might have been wrong. Maybe these weren't Dovers. Looks like it. I want to say they were. Hard to tell though. Right.